everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a nice 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. This is a Chevelle. It is not a real super sport car. It does have all the SS striping and badging, but again, it is a clone or tribute car, whatever you want to call it. Good car, though. Good, solid, straight body. Car's an older restoration, so it's been done for about 17, 18 years, but very well maintained. Couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at, but I'll tell you what, car hits the road really good. Good running, cammed up, 350 small block car. It's got a Muncie 4-speed in it. I'll tell you one thing that's really cool, and I'm assuming this car is probably ordered that way. This is a 12-bolt car with F41 suspension with the rear sway bar and the box control arms, which in 72, they didn't even come like, I mean, you had to, somebody definitely would have had to order it like that. 72, I mean, most people don't know this, but 72 SS Chevelles actually came standard with a small block in them. So they were 10-bolt rear ends. You can see a couple little touch-up marks, some little things you can kind of pick at, but nice car. Again, good, solid, straight body, really hits the road good. They replaced the bumpers on it. Cowl hood with the pins, and it's got nice paint on it. Trim's nice. You can see it does have a little split in there on the dash. Dual chrome mirrors. They put an aftermarket sound system in it. It's got the speakers and the kick panels and the hat rack there. It's got a good sounding Flowmaster exhaust system on it. It's got the resonators with the chrome tips. It's got a great sound with that cam. See the car straight down the sides. The gentleman got it from said the car's got all the original panels still in it. Yeah, if you're looking for a good straight driver, I think you're really going to like this car. And again, it's going to be priced where it's not going to break the bank. BF Goodrich Radial T's with the factory 15-inch rallies. Love the cranberry red. The paint on the car is slick. Front disc brakes. I think he said it's a 70 engine. I know it's error correct. 350, nice little cam to it. I just put a new Edelbrock carb on it. Edelbrock intake. You can see it does have headers, power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, it is a Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. It really hits the road good. HEI distributor. Shifts out good. It's got a couple little blemishes you can pick at. I like the cowl hood. New door handles. You can see they changed the door rubbers. You can see the door seams are nice and clean. They put all the SS Trim on the door panels and everything. This is nice too. Bucket seats, console. Of course, most non-SS cars were bench seat. It's got the SS steering wheel in it. They've left the Malibu dash in it. It's got the Autogage phantom gauges in it. Headliner looks good. It's showing, I don't know if you can see it in there, showing 43,000. I'm sure that's not original. He really didn't know the miles on the car since it was done. Again, it's got the aftermarket tacking gauges, custom sound system. Again, Hurst shifter. They put the speakers in the kick panels. It's got a, again, good sounding H-pipe Flowmaster exhaust system. And again, 12 bolt, 331 posi rear axle with the box control arms, rear sway bar. So somebody, I mean, I guess they could have put it in, but I would guess that somebody probably ordered the car like that. A couple little blemishes on the teeth in there. And he said he believed the car to be a factory 4-speed. That's the one thing he said, man. He said you can get in this thing and turn the key and cruise, and it really does. It hits the road good. Seats have definitely been redone. Console looks good. Again, they replaced the door handles. Nice little cam. Thing fires right up. Like he said, the car just hit the road real good. One hand. Gotta find it. That's a good looking car right there, man. Yeah, good sounding cam. Everything opens and closes nice. Right behind, so it's hard to see stuff, but it gets its R's quick. I mean, it's gonna be a fun little car to play with. Radio works. You can see all the gauges work. It's holding good oil pressure. Oh, we're gonna check the wipers. The wipers are popping on. We'll check them. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video.